Realme is launching the Realme Q3 series in China on April 22, 2021. In a series of posts, the Realme confirms features like the Media Dimensity 1100 chipset, 120Hz display, and a VC liquid cooling on the Realme Q3 series. The Realme Q3 series is expected to include the Realme Q3 and Q3 Pro. Looking at the past, the Q2 and Q2 Pro both featured Dimensity 800U and 120Hz LCD display. Talking about the new cooling technology that the Realme is bringing, the 3D tempered VC liquid cooled heat dissipation surface is set to cover 100% of the core heating surface and promise a maximum drop of 15 degrees Celsius. Talking about the Realme Q3 Pro, Realme has already shared renders of the fluorescent logo that's coming on the rear panel of it. And also the smartphone is sleek and lightweight, measures 8.4mm in thickness and weighs around 179 grams. Realme is already teasing the price of 1000 yuan, which is approximately 20,000 Indian rupees. And if this phone is launched at this price, the device would be a stunner as it is having a 64MP triple camera on the back and probably include a screen fingerprint reader and a 4500 mAh of battery with a 65W fast charging support and Android 11 out of the box. So these are all the things we know so far about the Realme Q3 and Q3 Pro. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.